Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy cryptocurrency on eToro. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and log into your account. Now, search for the cryptocurrency. Use the search bar at the top of the dashboard to find the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Type the name or ticker symbol here. Click on the cryptocurrency to open its profile page. You will see price, charts, stats, and recent update about the cryptocurrency. On the cryptocurrency page, click on trade button. After that, you need to enter the amount and select your leverage level. You can also set a price at which your position will close to limit potential loss. Double check all your trade details and click on open trade button. After that, go to the portfolio section to track your cryptocurrency investment. So that is how you can buy cryptocurrency in eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.